Question number 3 on the Chapter 3 assessment is, what is the image of the point -2, 1 under the translation with vector 2, 5, followed by the translation with the vector -2, 3? The second question is, what is the vector for the single translation that is equivalent to the two translations given? So let's start off with the first part of the question. All right, if we have the point -2, 1, so -2, 1, which would be a point approximately right here, all right, and then we are translating that vector 2 places to the right and 5 up, so 2 places to the right and 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is, if this is point P, we'll call this P prime. And then they said we're going to follow that by the translation with -2, 3. So now we're 2 places to the left, 1, 2, and then we're going 3 up. So 1, 2, 3. We'll call this P double prime. So the final translation that takes place then, the ordered pair here is going to be, it looks like we're back to -2, 9. So that would be the answer to our first question. So that's the image, that's the final image given those two translations. Now the question is, what the second question, so that's the answer to question 1. Question 2 is, question 2 states, what is the vector for the single translation that is equivalent to the two translations given? So in other words, what they're asking is, if I were to do this from P to P double prime in one move, what would that single translation vector be? Well, to be honest with you, all you need to do is take the two translation vectors. Here we have 2, 5. Let's add the other translation vector to it, which is -2, 3. And our final translation vector is going to be 0, 8, which tells us we're going to move the original point no places left or right and 8 places above. And if you were to take a look now at the original point and at the ending point, that's exactly what we've done. We've gone neither left nor right, but we have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places up and have landed at the coordinates given right here. So that's our answer for question number 3.